Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah, beginning with the name of the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. I Muhammad Usman Ali Bad. Recently, I watched a video of Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan, in which Khan said, "We wanna collaborate with Zaituna's College." Sheikh Hamza Yusuf is the founder of Zaituna College, and he is a perennialist who believes that Christians and Jews go to Jannah. I can't understand why Imran Khan praising Zaituna College when there are thousands of colleges in Pakistan which is better than other countries' college or school of thoughts. I requested to the Muslim Ummah, special the Ummah of the nation of the people of Pakistani, please raise their voices against this decision of Imran Khan. If Imran Khan wanna collaborate with other countries' college, so why you can't collaborate with the Kanzul Huda and other this type of colleges? Okay, Khuda Hafiz.